In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rainbow gradient text effect in Canva using a simple hack. Hi everyone! If you've ever wished your text could have that smooth, multicolor gradient look right inside Canva, this walkthrough will make it easy. First, open Canva and load the design where you want your rainbow text to appear. This could be a social post, a thumbnail, or a flyer. Any format works. Add your text to the canvas and choose a font you love. Bold or thick fonts tend to show gradients best, but pick whatever fits your design style. Adjust the size and spacing now so you won't have to redo it later. Next, duplicate the page. This gives you a working copy you can export without affecting your original layout. On that duplicate, make sure you're only seeing the text. Hide or delete any other elements on the page. Now download the text as a PNG with a transparent background. That transparency is crucial. It ensures the rainbow will show cleanly through the letters without a white box behind them. Head back to your main design and upload the PNG text you just exported. Then upload a rainbow gradient image. No text, just a colorful gradient. You can use any gradient style you like, from soft pastel stripes to bold neon arcs. Place the rainbow image behind the text image. If it pops in front, just adjust the layer order so the gradient sits underneath. Scale and position the gradient so it's larger than your text and covers the area you want to color. On the left sidebar, click Apps. In the search bar, type Blend Image and open it. This tool lets you combine the two images in a way that transfers the rainbow colors into the text shape. Select the rainbow image as the bottom layer, then select your PNG text as the top layer. Now choose a blend mode. Multiply, overlay, or screen are great starting points. Multiply typically deepens colors, overlay boosts contrast and vibrancy, and screen can brighten the effect. With the blend applied, fine-tune the positioning. Nudge or scale the rainbow image until the colors sit exactly where you want them within the letters. If the colors look too dark or washed out, try another blend mode or slightly reposition the gradient for a better mix. And that's how you create a rainbow gradient text font effect in Canva using a simple hack. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching,